In today's video, we're diving into the art of crafting dialogue using ChatGPT. If you've ever struggled with making your characters sound authentic, or if you're looking to enhance your dialogue writing skills, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we jump into generating dialogue, it's important to set up the context for ChatGPT. The more details you provide, the better the responses you'll get. Let's say we're working on a fantasy story. So go to the input box right here. Then you can type or put together your prompt. So here's the one, for instance, that I put together. So imagine a scene, bustling medieval marketplace. There are the characters set place, Arya, young thief, then a mysterious merchant, Darius, and yeah. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Here we go. So here's what ChatGPT had suggested right here. Here's the paragraph, descriptive paragraph that it sets in. There are the dialogues between the characters right here. There we go. And yeah, so not bad, right? But remember, this is just a starting point. Let's refine it to fit the characters and the story better. And it's not that bad. It would have been nice, or much better, if you could just tweak it a bit. Let's get to the next segment, shall we? To make the dialogue more engaging, let's use ChatGPT to add some subtext and adjust the tone. So I'll ask ChatGPT to refine the dialogue for us, any of these dialogue that is. So for me, maybe I could just, select all of them, for instance. Let's save this one there. You can just select it, then click reply, or you can just do the other way, depending on which is more effective, that is. Select one or two dialogues, then post it right here in the input as part of a prompt for you to ask for ChatGPT. And here, there's my dialogue prompt. Let's see. Here's a dialogue between a young thief, Arya, and a mysterious blah, blah, blah. Then here's what I asked. Mainly, please add more subtext and adjust the tone to make it more engaging. This is exactly what I said earlier. See? Now, let's see how this works. So according to ChatGPT, here's what it suggests. See? There we go. It changes up. There are more details right there between characters. And yeah, see how ChatGPT added subtext and descriptive actions to make the dialogue more vivid and engaging? It turned a simple exchange into a more dynamic and character-revealing conversation. This is a great example of how you can use ChatGPT to refine and polish your dialogue. Pretty cool, huh? ChatGPT can help you create distinct voices for different characters. This is crucial because each character should have a unique way of speaking that reflects their personality and background. So let's try a scene with a sarcastic mentor and an eager apprentice. Here's the prompt that I put together for that matter. Here we go. Write a dialogue between a sarcastic mentor named Lyra and her eager apprentice Sam, who is anxious to prove himself. There. So let's see how ChatGPT would come up with this. So here's what ChatGPT suggests. So you can see it right here. There are the following actions, descriptive actions, more dialogue that could match their personality based on the prompt that I put together. And yeah, so see how Lyra's sarcasm and Sam's determination came through clearly? This contrast not only adds depth to the characters, but also makes their interaction more engaging. So if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Let's try another example, this time with a humorous character and a serious one. This can be a great way to add some light-hearted moments to your story. So here is the prompt that I put together, write a dialogue between a humorous sidekick, Max, and a serious hero, Alex, planning their next move against the villain. So this is some kind of superhero type of story, that is. So let's see how ChatGPT would put it all together based on what I just prompted for it. Here we go. So you can see right here, this is what it generated. And yeah, notice how Max's humor contrasts with Alex's seriousness, creating a dynamic and entertaining interactions. Interactions, I meant. Sorry about that. Yeah, so this kind of interplay can add layers to your story and make your characters more memorable. So you can see right here. There we go. They're different dynamics, but it can blend well together. This is how ChatGPT would structure it well. And yeah, let's do one more example. This time, we'll create a dialogue between a formal Victorian-era noblewoman and her scheming suitor. This will show how ChatGPT can adapt to different historical settings and tones. Here's the prompt. In a Victorian-era setting, a noblewoman named Elizabeth confronts a scheming suitor, Lord Blackwood. Write their dialogue. So, same as always, let's see how this goes. And so, again, ChatGPT proved to be nailing the formal tone appropriate for the Victorian era. It's all about providing the right context and details in your prompts. With ChatGPT, you can easily switch between different styles and settings, making your dialogue versatile and authentic. And there you have it, storytellers. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool in your writing arsenal, helping you craft dialogue that is engaging and authentic.